to experience Bali, India. This place is located in the outer Nashik. As you can see, the fabulous view and the greenery near the pool area. This place is Little Cove Nature Resort that offers best in class food and also variety of fresh lake fish as they are near dam. They also have free yoga classes at 7 a.m. with the owner of the resort and de-stressing spa that will make your body new. Like and subscribe and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye.